Make time for emptiness. First, observe yourself. Be with yourself as you are. But without haste, without impatience. In our everyday lives, do any one of us have time to think about nothing? Most people would say, I do not have a moment to spare for that. I am so busy. We are pressed for time, pressured by work and everything else in our lives. Modern life is busier than ever. All day, every day, we try our best just to do what has to get done. If we immerse ourselves in this kind of routine, unconsciously but inevitably we lose sight of our true selves and of true happiness. A mere 10 minutes is all you need. Try making time for emptiness, for not thinking about anything. There is magic in not thinking about anything, in that gap of no thought. Just try clearing your mind and not being caught up in the things around you. Various thoughts will float up in your mind. But try to send them away, one by one by one. When you do so, you will begin to notice the present moment, the subtle shifts in nature that are keeping you alive. When you are not distracted by other things, your pure and honest self can be revealed. Making time for not thinking about anything, that is the first step towards creating a simple life.